Japanese Prime Minister can move into the official residence for free in accordance with the National Civil Service Accommodation Act. However, Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga has refused to move into the residence for the apparent reason until the end of his 3 months in office. Some have even speculated that Prime Minister Suga is hesitant to move into the residence because of rumors that a ghost will appear. Even after Suga took office as Japan's 99th Prime Minister on September 16, he did not move to the Prime Minister's residence. He commutes from the House of Representative accommodation, which is about 3 minutes away by car. The Prime Minister's residence was first built in 1929 across from the Parliament building. Of the Japanese government's budget this year, the maintenance cost of the Prime Minister's co-work is about 160 billion yen. The Japanese Prime Minister's co-work is a reinforced concrete building with 3 floors above the ground and 1 floor below the ground within the site of the Prime Minister's residence. Located in the Nagatajeong, Chiyotagu, Tokyo, the co-outer is also connected to the official residence building where the office of the Prime Minister and Secretary of State, various conference rooms, and the crisis center are located. However, from one day, there was a horrible story of a ghost appearing. There have been several terrible things, including assassinations and coups at the Prime Minister's residence, killing many people. Some say that staying in the Prime Minister's residence usually leads to a short term of office. Accordingly, people speculated that Shinzo Abe did not stay at the office residence because of the cost of the Prime Minister's residence. The Japanese government denied it was absurd. However, this co-author has been emptied for 8 years from December 2012 when former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe succeeded in resuming power. When he first came to power in 2006 to 7, Abe lived the official residence like most other prime ministers.